Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing you review on sketching drawing pad. In this book, we have many 42 pieces for drawing. So let's give you a review. First of all, there are 17 pieces pencils and we woodless graphite, soft charcoal pencil, medium charcoal pencil, hard charcoal pencil, white charcoal pencil, brown charcoal pencil, coffee charcoal pencil, race pen, stand paper tool, art knife, paper stamper, pencil extender, compressed graphite, compressed charcoal pencil sharpener, razor, kneadable razor. So now I'm showing you art knife. It's used for paper cutter. It's very useful. Now sandpaper tool. Now I'm showing you charcoal pencil. It's a medium soft shade. Charcoal pencil medium soft shade. Now I'm showing you charcoal coffee. Let's try it. It's too good. Charcoal pencil soft. Another shade of charcoal pencil. Charcoal pencil hard. Let's try it. It's too good in working. Now another shade. White razor pen. Used for razor highlight tones. This is also white charcoal. It's charcoal brown shade, dark brown. I hope you are liking this video. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is makeup brush. Now I'm showing you another charcoal pencil medium shade. Let's try it. Smoothless graphite pencil. It's also used for shading. Its texture is too smooth.